In this technologically advanced business world, most of the tasks we perform today are getting simplified and requiring little or no effort from us to do them manually. However, that's not the case when it comes to inventory management. You have to rely on your team to keep track of your warehouse, manage the daily inventory, and maintain its record. And that consumes a lot of your time. But not anymore, as the Rubic is revolutionizing the inventory management process with its AI-based autonomous counting and automation solution. We utilize advanced drone technology for our autonomous inventory system. The camera is connected to an artificial intelligence code that does barcode reading on items, recording them and their associated location in the warehouse. Once done, we can pull all the results on a CSV file and upload it to a WES and WMS with an interface, saving you time while ensuring quality work with perfection. Furthermore, we can also create a custom visual warehouse app to show each SKU's location in the warehouse with the proper quantity. So, whether you're looking to simplify the inventory counting system of your warehouse, ports, or cargoes, the Rubic has got you covered with its AI-based scalable autonomous inventory solution. Contact us now for smart drone optimization solutions and get a quick and significant return on your investment.